Bird. Bird. Yeah. And me and Jessica are out here looking at the birds, and she can say bird. This is our lettuce in our garden. We have tomato, some more lettuce, cucumber, lettuce that is bolting, crookneck squash. We have zucchini squash. We have tomatoes. We have green pepper, tomatoes.
I'll be right back.
We have green pepper. Mommy's running off. She must have had something on the stove. She must have been... Bird. Yeah, birds are hanging out in these trees up above us. We have cherry tomatoes, okra, strawberries, oregano, a couple plants of oregano. We really have a very small garden, and we have raspberries that are pretty much completed. And then we have our sweet peas that we have to put a trellis. Sweet pea. And we have a birds here and there. And here we have another flower bed with raspberries that we're going to be planting. Carrots and onions and a few other vegetables that we're probably going to be picking up tomorrow. So, and then here's our greenhouse. I'll give you a tour of that later because we're working on that right now. And then we have grapes all over our deck. You can see there's grapes there. They're table grapes, green, and we have some Concord grapes. But yeah, we got grapes all over the place here. Seedless grapes, 3 different plants. And here's my sweetie pie doing a little weeding. But the grapes are growing all the way down here. And then we have tomatoes and some strawberries. And therefore we have a little garden farm. And we have a little gardener. This is our little gardener. Her name is Jessica. And there's our little medium-sized gardener. Her name is Nana Joy. She's very tired. She's been out working all day, shopping and buying groceries. And then I'm the size large gardener. And then we have another friend over there. Is that you, Jimbo? No. That's a mess there on the deck. Yeah, we have mosquitoes. It's just before before sundown. Putting a trellis for the sweet peas. Yeah. We have these box trellises.
Oh my gosh, there's so many.
Are the mosquitoes?
Yeah. Oh, they're biting you. They're biting us also. Oh my gosh.
Okay, mosquitoes are biting us. We gotta get the right gear on. I'll come out here in the summertime.
Okay, go to that.
So, do older people have a place in the media? We got a lot of young people getting millions of viewers because they got silly, cranky, pranky, weird stuff. But can an older generation?
They're biting it. They're biting Jessica too.
The older guys, I guess we're gonna have to start getting more creative because all the young kids are just being silly and funny, and I don't know, it's not immature because it's all good, but the older people have a disadvantage because they're all refined and, you know, straight-laced and all that. But let's make a change. Let's make the older people have a word or a saying. So yeah, we're out here on our little hobby farm, little garden. We got messes to clean up, but what I was saying is on YouTube or in the social media, is there a place for older people? Well, do we have to be crazy? Let's give it a try. Help us out. Help us out. Help the older generation. Help the older generation make a place for the young ones.